Hola, this is Paloma from Spotahome, and today we're going to visit this one-bedroom apartment in Valencia. We are going to start our tour. You can see that the washing machine was outside the property at the common area for all the tenants in the building, for the three properties, and we're in the bathroom now. Okay, so we can see the shower. Great. Okay, some shelving for your shampoo. Wonderful. Okay. Great. And we continue with our tour. And okay, thank you. There's some storage there. Big built-in wardrobe. And okay, mirror. Great. All right, and the living room with a table with 4 chairs. Okay, the entrance. Thank you. There is a television. The microwave. Okay, so the kitchen, the open kitchen with a microwave, air conditioning, electric stove, and a dishwasher. And we can see the sofa as well. Perfect. And now we are heading to the bedroom. And we can see the bedroom, we can see the double bed, we can see the nightstands. Okay. Thank you. A fan for the summer heat. And the electric heating. Okay, thank you. Great. And on the left, going up from the bedroom, we can see this terrace, this patio that is separated from the corridor by this sliding door. Okay, and we can open it to get some breeze. And we have the patio with a sofa and, well, some furniture to have a good time there. Okay, so this property is available at spotahome.com. Thank you very much for watching.